What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. New pickup, new release. A lot of people in the sneaker world might not be used to these, but here I have the HK Army Skulls. Now, if you don't know about HK, HK is a paintball brand. They make shoes, jerseys, shorts, pants, socks, hats, bandanas, hoppers, tanks, pretty much anything you can think of, they make it. So I just got these. I'm in Austin. I was at a field called Texas Paintball, and they had these new release, so I had to get them. So speed up the process. I already took them out. They come with black paper on the inside. They come in Converse / band style box, which means it's the slim box. It's not a full size box. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you these. And as you can see, they pretty much look like Converse or Vans. I think the midsole is a little bit thicker on these. The skull print, red shoe with white print, HK Army with the HK logo on the inside of the skull. Got the HK Army on the back. Again, I seen them and I was like, I must have them. They look pretty comfortable. I mean, 50 bucks, not bad. You can't beat that. Go on the inside, HK Army. You got your paper. Has a shoe tree in there as well. Factory lace, white laces, stretch laces at that. They have some more colors that I'm gonna get, and I'll be posting those as soon as I get them. But again, HK Army Skull paintball shoes. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.